Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal credit card declined. If you're trying to link a credit card on PayPal, but your card is being declined for some reasons, then here's how you can solve the issue. The first thing to make sure is to verify your card details. Double check the accuracy of the credit card information you've entered. Ensure that the card number, the expiration date, the CVV code, and billing address are all correct. Even a small error can cause a decline while linking a credit card. Another thing to do is to make sure you have sufficient funds on your credit card. If your card is near its limit or has insufficient funds, PayPal might decline your card. If the problem still persists, then you can use an alternative payment method. Go ahead and enter an alternate credit card number that you have at the moment and try linking your card then. If nothing else works out, you can contact PayPal support since they can assist you in identifying the specific reason for the card decline and provide further guidance. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are going through the card declined issue on PayPal. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thank you for watching.